gymnastics. I often bring this move back every once a year because it's such a cool move. Now, I've taught it many times, but every year I bring it back. It's one of my favorite. Hope you like it as well. Sugar push. It is off of a whip. We're just going to show the whip. 8 counts. You guys are coaster guys. Go back to where it began. To 4, it begins the same. So 1, 2, triple step. Guys off the track, we're going to go front to back. Guys off the track, 1, 2, she does her coaster, guys. Get in her way, okay? But from there, it changes. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Waited for me on my left, waited for her on her right. I'm going to take my right arm and make her walk for a 5, 6. And I never let her go past me. It's called a little check. It's called a check step. So I'm just going to go this way. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I turn her. 5, put her weight on her left foot, but then I push her back onto her right foot for 6. So it's a check step. So look at it a little bit quicker. So I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And I stay in front of her because I don't want her to go any further down the slide. So going this way a little bit faster. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this right arm here, 5, 6. Good to use that arm, good frame to do the check. Then from there, go this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push her back. 7 and 8. Kind of hard to see front to back, but I want you to see how you push her back onto the slot and then make her do the next triple. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, push, 7, and 8. I move off the track to her right so she has room. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, pivot, bring her back, and as she does her triple step, I back up and give her room. So let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. My right foot, her left foot. That's a prep on the last count for her. To her right, and then she does a triple, and a triple. So a little bit quicker to get through that. Sugar push. We do it with a check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, triple, center through. Going this way. This works slower, fast music. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. This way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. Bring her through. Send her through. Triple. It's called a check weight. And I've been doing this one for a very long time. Love it. Use it a lot. So I'm going to share it today with you. You might hear it. Thanks, guys. Hope you like it. Hope you use it. That's why we're here every week, is to share our passion for dance with you. Click subscribe for a free video every week. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing.